So what you will need is a knife. We're going to be making Herbie homemade garlic bread. So we've got some like parsleys, garlic, butter, and you will need your bread. Of course you'll need like thick bread because you can either like do it thick or thin, depends how you are. A whisk. So now let's cut the parsley. You will need parent supervision if you're under 8 years old, because as I said, this is a sharp knife. And when your parsley or herbs or whatever you're going to be using is cut nicely, you can add it into a little bowl and save it for later. So now we're just going to crush up the garlic using the flat side of the knife, which is not like that, like that. So let's do it. It's sort of crushed but not fully there, so it should kind of come out flat, and then you can kind of chop it up if you want, like into small little cubes or something, to make it easier to crush. And now we've added everything into the bowl, we're just going to mix it up. I would highly recommend using a whisk if you don't like mixing it like this, but it's easier like this because you can move the bowl, but a whisk moves the bowl anyway, and plus it doesn't get stuck in the whisk, but oh well. You keep mixing it till it gets to like a soft consistency, and then you cut your bread up and put it on the bread. So it's nice and smooth over there, but now we're gonna cut the bread. Remember not to cut it all the way down, about 3/4 of the way down, because you don't want the juice to leak everywhere. The garlic bread to leak everywhere. So now it's all done, as you can see, you can just like move them apart a little bit. We're gonna add in the garlic butter. You don't have to add as much, but I love it, so I'm just gonna add tons. It may be a little bit hard at first because it doesn't really spread. You've just got to like hope for the best. But in the end, it will taste lovely. So we've just put the bread on the foil and we're just going to wrap it up now. There we go. So now it's all wrapped and cozy in there. We're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes and we'll show you guys the result. So it's been about 15 minutes and we're going to get it out now. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice, soft. And no liquid. If you like it crispier, put it back in without the foil for about 5 minutes, I would say. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. What do you want us to do next? Comment down below. Good.